Hi, welcome. Glad you're here. I'm Brian, and this is Smoking Hot. Name of the show. Me too, but the name of the show is Smoking Hot. If you like great cooking, you like some smoked food, you want to enjoy your meal, and you want to share it with others, learn some great recipes, maybe have an adult beverage or two, you're in the right place. Go ahead and subscribe. Ring that bell. Don't miss a thing. Today we're going to be doing a Caribbean barbecue sauce, and it's a Caribbean Jerk barbecue sauce. And I want to give you a heads up. If you're already following, awesome. You're already subscribed. Okay, we are going to be doing a series of barbecue sauces, and I'm not going to tell you all of them, but right now we're doing a Caribbean Jerk, and I'm going to be doing some ribs, and I tell you what. I've even got little scorecards made up for the participants. They're going to be scoring those ribs. So stay tuned for that. If you want this recipe, I'll have it down below. I've actually gone out and you can download the recipe. So I'm going to cut to it really quick. So the Caribbean Jerk barbecue sauce. I'm excited about it. You're gonna have the feel of the islands when you're in there. So you're gonna taste. There's gonna be some spiciness. Gonna be a little saltiness going on in there. A little bit of sweetness. So you have things like, for example, I got allspice with nutmeg into the mix. Okay, I found this in my cupboard. Okay, it's the perfect pinch Caribbean Jerk. So you can buy and you can go out and put your own spices or buy the spices to put in there. Not in my kitchen. No, it ain't gonna happen. So we got some freshness gonna be going on with that. I got the Scotch bonnet peppers going on. I'm not actually using the Scotch bonnet. You can. I'm on the West Coast, so they're there. I could find them, but I just happened to pick up. These are the habaneros, and they're going to be really close to that. You can use the habaneros for this, okay? But also got some great spices here. So I got some. I'll show you now. So we got some allspice. We have some thyme. Going to be doing some cinnamon, some nutmeg, light brown sugar. A little different than dark brown sugar. We're going to do the light brown sugar, salt. I'm going to be using the Himalayan pink salt. You can use any salt for this. It's going to be okay. I'm not going to judge you for wanting to use some other salt, okay? But I'm going to give you some options to go along with it. So fresh ground black pepper, and then I have a malt vinegar. So you want the light malt vinegar, you want the light malt vinegar, and then some olive oil. So we're gonna do that. That is just for the spices. Then we're gonna get right into making the barbecue sauce, and it's gonna be kick-ass flavors. You're gonna love it, and you're gonna eat these, and you're gonna be sitting there thinking, man, I'm right there in spiritual, hanging out on the beaches of Jamaica. So let's get to it. Come on. All right, so first thing we do is we chopped up our onions. I got 6 onions here, and I chopped up and took out the seeds of the peppers, and we're gonna chop those up for I think. But no, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do some fine chopping because we want this all the way down and a good mix. And I'm using all of it for this is just for the spice. Alright, and voila. Alright, so I've been working my butt off for you, but movie magic has us ready to rock and roll, so let's do it. We're going to go ahead and mix this all together, and then we're going to get it ready for our barbecue sauce. Oh, and if you could smell this, let me tell you, if you could smell this, it'd make your eyes water. Yes, because it's delicious. Everything's in there. Oh, I can almost taste it right now. So let's get it going. So you say, hey Brian, you go to all this trouble to make this barbecue sauce. Why can't I just go down the store and buy some? Yeah, you can. Does it make any difference, Brian? Can I just why go to all that trouble? Well, I think the proof is in the taste. Let's find out. That's dynamite. That's dynamite. That's dynamite. You're gonna love this. Oh, I'm ready. I'm ready. Let's hit this. I want to put this on some ribs. We're gonna let that soak. Oh, you guys have no idea what's coming up. So this is one barbecue sauce. This is the Caribbean Jerk barbecue sauce. I got some more coming. Check below. Follow the channel. Ring the bell. And you guys are in for a treat. I got a lot of barbecue sauces going on. We got some ribs going to be happening. And we're going to try them all. We're going to try all the different sauces all at one time. We're going to go ahead and score them and tell you all about it. Here we're serving it up hot because we are smoking hot. Come join us. Thanks.